Good morning students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain example 4 and exercise 1.1. Yesterday already completed 3 examples. Now fourth example is example 4. Multiply the reciprocal of minus 2 by 9 minus 9 by 2 and 5 by 18 and add the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 to the product. What is the result? Okay. Multiply the reciprocals of minus 9 by 2 and 5 by 18. Reciprocal of minus 9 by 2. What is the reciprocal of minus 9 by 2? Reverse that. Minus 2 by 9. Reciprocal of 5 by 18 equals to, what is the reciprocal? 18 by 5. Product, multiply. These two are multiplied. Multiply equals to minus 9 by 2 into 18 by 5. Okay. Cancel. 9 1 times, 9 2 times. So, minus 2 into 2, minus 4 by 5. This is the product of these two only. And the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5. What is the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5? Plus 4 by 5. Yesterday I explained that is example 2. The same. Minus is given, plus you write. Plus is given, minus you write. Same number. Additive inverse means if minus symbol is given, plus 1 you write. If plus symbol is given, minus 1 you write. Okay. Additive inverse of minus 4 by 5 equals to 4 by 5. Add the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5. What is the additive inverse of minus 4 by 5? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 to the product. Before that, this product. What is the result? Add it. Minus 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5. 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Same number is subtracted, the same number gives a result equals to 0. So, this is the example 4. Next, exercise 1.1. Name the property involved in the following examples. First one. Name the property. Already I said some properties to you. Closure property, associative property, commutative property, inverse property, identity property, and distributive property. So in the first sum, some properties given. You find out which property is using. Property involved in the following examples. First one, 8 by 5 plus 0 equals to 8 by 5 is equals to 0 plus 8 by 5. If a given number, one number is adding, gives the same number. A plus 0 equals to A equals to 0 plus a. What is the property? Additive identity. This is the additive identity property. Here 0 is called additive identity. Okay, identity under addition. Additive identity is here 0. This is identity property under addition. Second one, 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 equals to 2 into 3 by 5 plus 3 into 1 by 2. Which property is this? One multiplication, one addition is there. That is, actually 3 numbers is given. That is 2 properties are there. One is associative property and another one is distributive. Associative property contains only all are plus, all are minus, all are into, all are division. That only. But here into plus symbols, 2 symbols are different symbols are there. So this is distributive property. A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. So this is the left side. This is left side. So left distributive property. Left distributive property. These are the very important. Third one. Say 3 by 7 into 1 equals to 3 by 7 equals to 1 into 3 by 7. Which number is multiplied by given number gives the same number? That number is called multiplicative identity. Here one number is adding to the given number gives the same number, that is adding. So additive identity. Here identity property under multiplication. A into 1 equals to A equals to 1 into A. Multiplicative identity. What is the multiplicative identity here? 1. This property is called identity property under multiplication. That is the third one. Next, fourth one. Minus 2 by 5 into 1 equals to minus 2 by 5 equals to 1 into minus 2 by 5. Same. A into 1 equals to A equals to 1 into A. Identity property under multiplication. Okay. Fifth one. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. A plus B equals to B plus A. Same numbers adding reversed. This property is called a commutative property. Commutative property. Here pluses are there under addition. Next, sixth one. 5 by 2 into 3 by 7 equals to 15 by 14. This is a rational number. This is a rational number. And these two are multiplied gives also one rational number. 5 3 is 15, 2 7 is 14. Okay. So, product of two rational numbers gives a rational number. That property is known as closure property. A into B belongs to rational number. Product of two numbers gives also rational number. That property is called closure property under your multiplication. So multiplication. Seventh one. 7a plus minus 7a equals to 0. One number is added to another number gives additive identity. That minus 2a 7a is called additive inverse. 7a minus 7a minus 7a plus 7a. Already gave the example 2. So a plus minus a equals to 0. Inverse under addition. Inverse under addition. So here additive inverse of 7a equals to minus 7a, or additive inverse of minus 7a equals to plus 7a. You write same. That one is given this one, this one is given that one. Okay. 7a is given, this is the additive inverse. Minus 7a is given, this is the additive inverse. 8th one. X into 1 by x equals to 1. Here, one number is multiplied by another number gives 1. This is called multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. So, this is called a into 1 by a equals to 1. So, inverse property, inverse under multiplication. Here 1 by a is called multiplicative inverse. The last one is two into x plus 2 into 6 equals to 2 into x plus 6. Okay. A into b plus a into c equals to a into b plus c. A equals to 2, a equals to 2, a equals to 2. Okay. B equals to x, b equals to x. C equals to 6, c equals to 6. So a into b plus a into c equals to a into b plus c. Again, into plus, two symbols here. So it is also left side. So this is which property? Left distributive property. This is the Roman number first. Next, Roman number 2. Write the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following. Write the additive and multiplicative write the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following. First one, minus 3 by 5. Okay, additive inverse. Additive inverse of minus 3 by 5 equals to, already said, just symbol change, plus 3 by 5. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5 equals to, this is reciprocal, minus 5 by 3. If plus is given, plus you write, minus is given, minus you write, but numerator is denominator, denominator is numerator, that is multiplicative inverse. Second one, 1, additive inverse. Additive inverse of 1 equals to, additive inverse of 1 equals to minus 1. Multiplicative inverse of 1 equals to, 1 by 1 actually right, but 1 by 1 is also is 1. Third one, 0. Additive inverse of 0 equals to 0. Plus 0 is 0, minus 0 also called 0. Multiplicative inverse 0 equals to, actually reversed, 0 by anything. 0 by anything means 0. So anything by 0. Anything by 0 means undefined. Undefined. We don't know the 0. Multiplicative inverse of 0. Next, fourth one, 7 by 9. Additive inverse of 7 by 9 equals to, additive inverse means symbol change, minus 7 by sign, minus 7 by 9. Multiplicative inverse of 7 by 9 equals to, reverse, reciprocal, 9 by 7. That is the fourth sum. Next, fifth one, minus 1. Additive inverse of minus 1 equals to plus 1. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1 equals to minus 1 by 1 equals to minus 1. This is the second Roman. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we will discuss about next third Roman.